Hi and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video I'm going to go through the types of computer network that you need to know about and the pros and cons of wired and wireless networks, because you need to be able to discuss that as well. So first of all, the types of computer network. First type you need to know about is a personal area network. And what a personal network area refers to is simply a network of Bluetooth devices. So only Bluetooth devices are considered personal area networks. So the second type of network you need to know about is a LAN. So LANs refer to networks covering a small geographical area, and they're often owned by a single individual or organisation. And finally then, the last type of network you need to know about is a WAN. So this is a wide area network. And a WAN refers to networks covering a large geographical area, and they're often under collective or distributed ownership. So if we're thinking about LANs and WANs, they can be wired or wireless. Obviously a personal area network is only going to be wireless because we're only talking about Bluetooth devices. But LANs and WANs, they can be wired or wireless networks. Now first you have to be able to consider the benefits of using wireless networks and the risks associated with using wireless networks. So one of the benefits is that a computing device doesn't need to be close and connected to an Ethernet port to be able to use a wireless network. And the second benefit is that the device doesn't need to have an Ethernet port, so it can provide an internet connection to devices that are even too thin to have an Ethernet port, like a mobile phone. So what are the risks then? Well, given how easy it is to listen to wireless network traffic, there's much more risk of an attacker being able to, if the Wi-Fi network is open and not secured, be able to listen in on your communications over a wireless network and be able to intercept information that you're sending over a wireless network. So it's easy to listen to wireless networks and obtain information about users of these networks. And also, depending on what security protocol your particular wireless network is using, it may be quite easy to obtain the password for that wireless network and to even listen to the communications of users over a secured wireless network. Okay, so that's the benefits and risks of using wireless networks. You also need to know a little bit more about the structure of wired networks, and the fact that wired networks can use different types of cable. So the most commonly used cables in wired networks are copper cables and fibre optic cables. The copper and fibre optic are most common. And fibre optic cables are able to transfer data at much higher speeds than copper cables, but are much more expensive per meter. So they're only used to when a really fast and robust network is needed. So fibre optic cables are commonly used by internet service providers to transfer data over long distances. They're also often used for internal networks inside office buildings to handle many clients at fast data speeds. The copper cables are cheaper, but they offer lower speeds, and they're often used in home networks and by internet service providers over short distances. Okay, so copper cables are cheaper but provide lower speeds, and copper cables are often used in home networks and by internet service providers over short distances. Okay, so that brings me to the end of this tutorial video. I hope you found it useful, and thanks for watching.